Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to delete your Click Wages account, then you have to do simply log into your account. But unfortunately, there is no dedicated delete option. Here you can see in the button here there is no settings or delete option here. You can all they do is simply click on this three horizontal line button at the top right corner, and from here you can find the help button here. Simply click on help, and here you have to simply give the feedback about something, that why you want to delete, that reason, a valid reason that for that you want to delete your Click Wages account, and ask help from a representative. Or from here you can also find there is no delete option here, so you have to just simply talk about the deletion process here, and you can submit the feedback and our representative can help you. Otherwise there is no option to delete your Click Wages account. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.